So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can use your mobile device as a remote for your LG TV. So the first thing that we need to do is head over to our App Store. And then if we go to the search bar here, we can then search for TV remote. And then you can then click and search for this. So once we do that, the top search result here is TV Remote Universal. We can then download and install that and then click on open to open up the app. Now, once we do this, you will then be brought over to here. Now, what you need to do is if you are not connected to your television already, you need to make sure that your mobile device and your television are both connected to the same Wi-Fi internet connection. Once you do this, you can then go to the next step. And then once we open up the app, whenever you click a button on here, it will then ask you to connect to your television. So click on OK. And then as you can see, there is different options here. So click on the one that you want. And then once you do this, it will then say connecting. And as you can see in the top right hand corner, you will then have to go ahead and accept this. So once we allow this, it will then connect over to our mobile device. I can then turn it up. As you can see, I can move from side to side and I can pretty much do whatever I like here. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can use your mobile device as a remote on your LG TV.